Thanks for joining our channel. We're going to have a great adventure today, so let's take it outside. While our meat and our potatoes and carrots are going to be cooking, we're going to go ahead and make a pineapple upside down cake. We'll get this going, put it right up on top. Best cake that you'll be able to taste on the outdoors. Very simple. They have several things that keep it from sticking to your pan. They got pan liner. We're going to use parchment paper. We're just going to line the inside of our Dutch oven with some parchment paper, and we want to have this parchment paper where it's sticking out a little bit up on top. The lid will cover that up and just fold it over. I'll probably put a couple layers of it. Just make it fit inside your pan, all around the edges. Like I said, the excess sticking out will be perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some brown sugar in the bottom and some butter. And we're going to line it with our pineapple slices.
So how much of that brown sugar are you going to put in?
We're going to put about 1/4 cup. Just sprinkle it all across the bottom. And it'll cook down. And then we're going to add some margarine, butter, whichever one you'd want.
Butter. Go with butter.
Okay.
Now, Ty, you haven't castrated anything with that knife lately, have you?
No, I haven't. This is a clean knife, only used at work in the kitchen. So we're just going to slice up some of this butter, drop it in the bottom of the pan right on top of that brown sugar. And like I said, this butter will take and absorb right into the cake mix. And it'll allow the brown sugar to penetrate also and run, as you'll see when we turn it over. When we're finished, it'll run right down in the crevices of the cake. So now we're going to go ahead and line it with our sliced pineapples. And you want to save some of your juices. We'll use that in the cake mix. And we have a pineapple cake mix. Like I said, you're just going to line this around the bottom, right on top of the brown sugar and the butter. And we'll put one right in the center. And we'll save that juice for later. Now, get those cherries right there, and we'll put the cherries right inside the sliced pineapple. Oh, that just looks good, and I haven't even got the cake mix in there. And if you got any extra cherries you want to spread around, just drop those right down in between each pineapple slice. Now, got that set, we're going to make our cake mix. Cake mix that we want to use is this one right here. We got pineapple cake, artificially flavored, and a pudding in the mix. So we'll go ahead and follow the regular recipe for the cake mix. And all we're going to do is we're going to add some oil, some water, and 3 eggs. We'll open up our cake mix. Now you can really see that pineapple and cherries down inside there.
question for you. Why don't they just cook it right side up instead of upside down?
Well, the thing is they want the pineapples for when you flip it over to be on top. And if you were to put the pineapples on top of your cake mix, they're going to sink to the bottom. So you cook them on the bottom. Then when we flip it up, right side up, starts off upside down. We'll cook it right side, flip it up, right side up.
Well, now you got me so darn confused. I don't know which side's up.
Well, right now, this is the bottom of our Dutch oven, but will be the top, or the top of our cake when we flip it over. Okay, so cake mix is all mixed up in there, nice and good. We'll just pour it right over the top. All right, so we just added some more hot coals right underneath this Dutch oven. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do what's called stack it. We're gonna use the coals that are on the lid of our first one to be the coals on our bottom one for our cake mix. So there we have our cake mix stacked right on top of our meat.
Okay, what you want to do is about every 5 minutes is give the lid a twist, turn the lid, and also turn the Dutch oven.
And the purpose of that is?
So you don't get a hot spot and burn your cake.
Awesome.
There's nothing worse than burnt pineapple with a cherry inside.
Well, here's our results. It's our pineapple upside down cake, and oh, it tastes amazing.
Hi, my name is Bobby. Thanks for watching our video. And if you could, as always, right up here, hit that subscribe and like button and notification and catch all our videos. We'll see ya. Bye.